All right, YouTube, to cook sausage, we have sweet sausage and we have a pot of water. Put that on high, and you want to take your sausage and just keep putting it in the water, and we're going to cook this until it changes color. And then after that, we'll put it in a frying pan. It's as easy as that. Alright, YouTube, so you can see that these changed colors. And you can see that the water's cloudy. Let's just go for a couple more minutes. And then we'll remove it and put it in a pan. Alright, YouTube, so they are cooked. And you're going to want to slice them up and then put it in a pan. Alright, so we have our sausage in there. After we cut it up, you want to take fennel. Fennel is very good with sausage. So you want to just keep cooking this on medium and just stir it and just do it to the color that you want. Alright, YouTube, so there you have it. That's how you cook the sausage. Alright, YouTube, so we have our pepper and onion, and you're going to want to just keep stirring this and let it rest, and then stir it again and cook it to the texture you desire. Alright, so our peppers and onion is done. You want to take the sausage and return that to the pan, and you just want to stir that about. Alright, YouTube, so you want to use some really quality tomatoes. These are the ones from Italy. And these are fire roasted, so you want to put those in the pan there. And then you're going to want to break some of these up. Like, you want to leave it chunky, but you want to break it up. Alright, YouTube, so you see how that's broken up? Put your pan on medium. And the thing you're going to want to do is put the cover on. And you're going to want to cook this for 30 minutes and take the cover off occasionally and just stir it. And there you have it, YouTube. There's the sauce with the sausage and peppers and onions. It's that easy to make this. And this thing can be made over, it could be put over pasta or noodles, rice. This thing is unbelievable.